In this poem, Philosophy, Nissim Ezekiel, he tries to tell us that there is one place where he often wants to go. Here, place indicates philosophy. It means philosophy subject. He means to say that whenever he is free, he often goes to study philosophy, to read philosophy. He says that he doesn't go to this place. It means he doesn't read philosophy by making any plan, but he starts the study of philosophy spontaneously. As an arrow goes to its target, as a bullet goes to its target, similarly, the poet goes to study philosophy. He doesn't make any plan before going there. Poet says that philosophy, it is away from physical and material life of the world. There is no value of emotions in philosophy. Only logic is important in philosophy. Here, everything is made clear by logic, by argument, and philosophy has no limit. The poet says that the mind of a philosopher never takes rest, it goes on thinking. Here the poet says that how this earth came in existence, how the stars they came in existence, and also the planets. If you ask these questions, you will get the answers of these questions by science. Science can tell you how this earth was made, how this earth came in existence, how planets they came in existence, how they move. These all answers can be given by science. But science has also its own limitation. Science cannot give the answers of all the questions. Still, some questions are left unanswered, and they are answered by philosophy. Poet means to say that those questions which cannot be answered by science can be answered by philosophy. But he further says that philosophy also cannot give the answers of all the questions, because philosophy has also its own limit. So those questions which are left unanswered by philosophy, they can be answered by poetry. Poetry, according to poet, is the supreme art. It is ever than philosophy, it is ever than science. Its reason is this, that in poetry, the poet uses imagination. And as far as imagination is concerned, it can go anywhere. So this is the reason the poet says that science can give the answers of many questions, but science cannot give the answers of all the questions. Those questions which are left unanswered by science, they are answered by philosophy. Similarly, those questions which are left unanswered by philosophy, they can be answered by poetry. So, in this way, Nissim Ezekiel, he tells us the supremacy of poetry over science and philosophy.